This ventilator is designed to give the minimum functionality for mechanical ventilation of a patient. It's something that's very easy to mass manufacture, even in places without many manufacturing capabilities. The whole mechanism is self-powered when a compressed air source is applied. This means that a lot of ventilators can be daisy-chained from one compressor source. This ventilator is not designed to replace more advanced electronic ventilators that can do automatic monitoring and adjustments to individual patients. It is designed to offer more triage time for medical staff, stabilizing patients that are critical so that medical staff can choose which patients are supposed to go on the more advanced machines or not. When patients have recovered enough but still require breathing assistance, they can be moved back to this mechanical ventilator. The main components of this design consist of a low-density polyethylene bellows, 150mm diameter PVC tubing, 5 injection molded parts, sheet metal casing, 4mm bolts, and a spray gun regulator. The main working component of this design is this toggle valve mechanism. The tidal volume can be adjusted by placing a pin in the correct hole. By filling the PVC tube to the desired centimeters of water, the correct inspiratory pressure can be achieved. The valve works with a small leaf spring that toggles a piston in either the inflation or deflation position of the bellows. When the bellows gets inflated, it inflates the right tidal volume, and then it deflates into the lungs of the patient. As the patient exhales, the bellows is filled up again with new air to deflate into the patient's lungs. Calculations concerning the tidal volume, pressures in the system, how the toggle valve will work, and other mechanical calculations have been done to verify its feasibility.